This is the outside of our tiny house, and you can see the patio doors, glass doors that we put in, the main porch that goes into the kitchen and the office. But this is our outdoor grill station. Kind of has everything you need to cook outside. The fire pit area, one of my favorite new additions. Love that. We're starting to get more good trees, although the leaves are falling back here. That's our solar over there. Well, one setup. We have a whole nother system. So this is my office space in our tiny house. Everything I need is in that section to edit, listen to music, and just all around feel really happy. So I love this space. This is definitely a lived-in tiny house, but I thought I would finally do a little video for YouTube since we've moved into it. And then if you venture to this half of the room is where the little kitchen starts, which I love my little kitchen and I can cook everything I need in it. So microwave, refrigerator, stove, all the amenities. And then this is our little dishes and pantry area on this side of the wall. So this is like the first room when you come in off the porch. It's the kitchen and my editing room. Designed this big area for our bedroom slash living room area. We have a queen size bed, a pull-out queen size sofa, big TV because that was a must. So the big TV is up there. We put in glass patio doors, which I absolutely love over there. Little splash of color because I love color. Try to get a better view all the way around. It's a very large room in here, but when we have people come over, we have the couch and a pull-out couch and everything we need. So yeah, I actually really do love this room. It's the general all-around sitting, hanging out room of the tiny house. Now we have the bathroom, which we made the bathroom quite large, which I really like. Nice pedestal sink, beautiful pictures to decorate, and I wanted a tub and shower. So there is a full-size tub and shower there. This is a very large closet back there, so we get to store tons of stuff back there. It's awesome, so nice. And there's just so much room to walk around in here that the bathroom is just so spacious. I love it. What used to be our old tiny house, but now this is the new studio. So I can show you inside there. We just finished getting this all set up. Right, so we are now in the new studio. I'll take you on a little tour. Much more space. In the old one, well, I was sad to move from it. It was compact and we were literally working over each other, and the makeup was like where I was shooting and everybody was on top of each other. So here, it's much bigger. I have this wall, which I'm planning to use to shoot with as well. Wonderful wood floor you can shoot with, but shooting station here, shooting. And this one has the kitchen, which is really nice. Sink and fridge. Full makeup station away from everybody, so we're not walking on top of each other, which is really nice. Just finished this wall. Very happy with all of it. and the abundance of space. If there's people here, guests that come with people shooting, I have a sitting area back here, a little nook. I got a little couch, plug-ins to charge things, my Pac-Man machine, of course, another chair over here. Just finished putting up, this is going to be my Polaroid wall. I take a Polaroid of everybody. Did it in my old studio. Going to continue it in here and made a new board for that. Overall, just so much more space though. It's so nice. And also in this one, it has its own private bathroom. No more walking into the tiny house past 100 dogs to get to it. But obviously a big wardrobe hallway that goes all the way back, and another closet full there. So all of that, and then around the corner, the only thing I have left to do is clean up the bathroom. We just did the floor, so that will be ready as soon as my first shoot next week. But this is the new studio. The old studio here, which is going to turn into a guest cabin. You see a lot of the leaves have fallen off the trees. But we moved the RV back here, so we're going to open all of this to make some parking and plant wildflowers all across our beautiful pond. It stayed full, never drained, so I think we're good there, and it's going to be a beautiful little pond as soon as we get it all cleared up and plant the rest of our stuff. There's our second windy road out of there. We did get this field all done. The grass did all grow in this summer. It's dying now because it's the end of fall, but we want to move my son's old cabin over there, over into this corner, and make that another guest cabin. Just from yesterday, the leaves fell down. It was so windy. There's so many pretty leaves, but now most of them are gone. Little remnants of fall. Few colors. That's still kind of cool in here. More remnants inside the woods. We're getting a lot more trees that have color inside the woods in the past 5 years, so it's really beautiful. Really, that's kind of it. Just working on projects right now and getting ready for winter. Love walking through our other drive that goes out to the road. It's so pretty in here. So much woods. 6 acres, which is pretty good for us. All right, Zeus, come on. All right, that's it for the homestead updates.